Morning. Is it cold today?
Sir, it's 4 degrees Celsius. In night it would be, sir, cold, but 2 degrees.
It is 4 degree right now. The temperature is 4 degree.
Yes,
Sir, it
now
is 20 degrees Celsius. Sir, it is 20 degrees Celsius.
it would be of Maharashtra.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want to say that, sir, nobody has sent me the work.
Sir,
Sir, I want the work from after chapter decimals.
So you tell me your name, beta.
Sir, Shashwat Gupta.
शाश्वत पहले तो नाम चेंज करो अपना.
Sir, I also wanted, sir, nobody
Okay,
gave.
sir.
Sir, here it is 15 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Sir, at my
All of
place
you-
it's 5
And
degrees
Google is
Celsius.
telling me that it feels like 10 degrees Celsius.
Sir, it is 20
Sir,
degrees
I have
Celsius.
changed the name.
Sir, but in morning it was 6 degree. It was too cold.
Sir, it is 20 degrees Celsius and foggy and unhealthy weather.
Sir, 6 degrees Celsius.
In my phone, it is showing 8 degrees. 8.
Sir, in my phone it is showing 12 degrees more.
My phone is showing 20 degrees.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. 20 degree तो नहीं है.
Excuse-
It is near 10.
20 degree, we were half.
तो बहुत ज्यादा है. It is near to 10. Okay. Okay. So अगर
Sir,
ये
it's
ऑफलाइन स्कूल
Sir,
अगर
it's-
अभी चल रहा होता तो आपकी छुट्टी हो गई होती है.
sir, because my sir Pupaji sir predict time wo sir climate, so sir he was so saying that today it would be 4 and at night it would be 2.
अरे मर गए. इतना नीचे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, in Google, it is showing currently 60 degrees Celsius.
60.
Feels and it 16, and it feels like to be 15.
Okay.
But sir, my Pupaji
Ex-
said this only.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we will do the
Arrange work for me.
explanation of quadrilateral. Yes.
All of you.
Sir,
please-
today night it is showing 4 degrees Celsius.
Okay, okay. All of you remain quiet. One very important message for all of you. Shashwat Gupta needs work from chapter decimals, I think. From which Shashwat, where are you? Where is Shashwat? Yes, Shashwat, from which chapter do you want the work?
Sir, after chapter 9.
Chapter 9. From chapter 9, he wants the work. So, can any one of you please provide him with the work? Okay, can you tell me which chapters we have done after chapter 9? Shashwat, do you know this or not? अच्छा चलो मैं जरा नंदिनी से बात करता हूँ. नंदिनी बेटा, Nandini, can you tell me which chapters we have done after chapter number 9?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the just name of the chapters? Chapter number, okay, tell me the chapter numbers. Wait a minute, let me unmute you. Yes, Nandini. Tell me the chapter numbers.
Sir, after the decimal we have then rounding numbers also. Sir, let me check. Sir,
Wow.
bills, rounding numbers,
Chapter numbers.
profit and loss. And
Rounding
then we
numbers,
are
profit
doing
and loss.
those chapters.
Rounding numbers, profit and loss. And sorry, where is Nandini? After that,
Sir, after that, bills,
chapter numbers.
profit and
Beta,
loss.
chapter, tell me the chapter numbers.
Okay, sir, let me tell 1 minute.
Just see from your book and then tell me.
Yes, sir.
Take your time. Unnati is very happy today because it is very cold. Unnati is having a great time today. विवान
Sir, I
खंडेलवाल,
am set. Sir, I am
ever
searching.
onwards, ever upwards. विवान खंडेलवाल की टैगलाइन है ये, खुद की
Sir,
अपनी
13 chapter.
ever
Sir,
onwards,
13
ever upwards.
chapter.
अच्छा, मुझे
Sir,
किसी ने
13
लिख के भेजा,
chapter.
ऋषित श्रीवास्तव ने मुझे भेज दिया है। चैप्टर 9 के बाद हमने करे हैं 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 एंड 17. These chapters 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Nandini, just check.
Sir, we have done 13, 14, 12 chapter and 11 chapter.
चलो मैं बताता हूँ लेट मी टेल यू, मुझे ही बताना पड़ेगा। We have done rounding numbers, yes. Simplification, so it was there in last term, I think. Nandini, simplification was not
Yes,
there.
sir. Sir, we have done the simplification. Sir, we have done the simplification.
Percentage was
after
also
half
there in
years.
the last term. Bills we have done.
Yes, sir.
10, 11 and then 13. Sorry, 10 उसके बाद 13 है, 11, 12 हमने पुराने टर्म में करे थे। 10, 11, 13, then 14 also we have done. Profit and loss. 10, 13, 14. 10, 13, 14. 10, 13, 14. 10, 13, 14. Then 18th one we are doing right now. But 10, 13, 14, 18. 9, 10, 13, 14. 9, 10, 13, 14. यही करें बस अभी हमने. So just a little bit of trouble I would give you all, well not all, some of you. Okay, so हाँ जी, एक मिनट बेटा, बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत कुछ कह रहे हैं, just wait a minute. Yeah, so I request Shaurya, can you can you send,
Yes, sir.
can you make a PDF of chapter 9 and 10 and send it on the group?
Sir, can I make?
Okay, sir, I can.
Make a
can.
PDF 9 of chapter 9 and 10.
Sir, I
Take
can.
photographs from your copy. Not now, after the class. Okay. Send it on the group itself and name the
Okay, sir.
chapters. Separately, you make a PDF. Make one
Okay,
PDF
sir.
of chapter 9.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
today we will do what?
Then, beta, just wait. Keep yourself mute, everyone. अभी आप सब लोग म्यूट रखिए अपने आप को. मुझे एक मिनट बात करने दीजिए शौर्य से. Yes, Shaurya, make one PDF of chapter 9 and one PDF of chapter 10 and then send it in the group after the class. Okay. Nandini, I am giving you some task also. You have to make a PDF of chapter 13 and one PDF of chapter 14. Chapter 13 and chapter 14. In दोनों की PDF
Okay,
आप
sir.
बना करके you send it in the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After the class. Okay. Can you do it? Do you know how to do it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I know it.
Very good, beta. शाश्वत, आप खुश हो?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, and also the work of triangles and quadrilaterals that are you doing?
अच्छा, वो भी देना है. So वो आपको
So, sir, I
provide
can that
करेगा.
also.
Who can do it? Rupanshi, can you do it?
Sir, can I?
Sir, I can send it also. Ma'am, sir, I can merge it with the PDF of.
Sir, Shaurya sent it in the group.
Anshika, can you do it, Anshika?
Yes, sir, I can send triangles and no,
Triangles
sir,
and
no, sir, no, sir.
No, not triangles. Okay. Rupanshi, can you do it?
Sir, what do we have to send? No, sir.
नहीं बेटा, आप सबको सेंड नहीं करना है. Mridul, can you do it? Mridul Patel.
Sir, I have the photos of triangle and
Of the
quadrilaterals.
chapter triangles
I can
and
send.
quadrilaterals. ट्राइंगल्स एंड क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स चैप्टर का पीडीएफ बना के आपको ग्रुप पे सेंड करना है, बस जो भी जितना भी अभी तक हमने कराया, व्हाटएवर वी
Excuse me, sir.
यस
Sir, we have done the chapter lines and angles.
no, that was in last term.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Ayushman,
can I
what do you say? Ayushman, Anji.
Yes, sir.
Are you saying something?
Sir, can I send in the group?
Can you send it, Ayushman? You will send it. Okay, Ayushman can send. Okay, thank you. Chalo, very good. Okay. So now we are doing this chapter triangles and quadrilaterals. Have you all made that table? That day I asked you to make a table from your chapter. Have you all made it in your copies?
Sir, which table?
This one.
This chart I told you to make in your copies. Have you all made it?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sir, we are on the
No,
B
sir.
part of exercise.
We are on the
19.1.
Sir, we are on the B part.
Okay. We have to
B
do
part of
these two
exercise.
questions. These two questions are left.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do now?
The question.
Question B we are discussing here. Question B discuss करते हैं. Okay. We have to give
Sir,
the
we have to do question B in our.
in the book. Question B and question C are to be done in your books. Okay.
Sir, first is scalene, then isos. Sir, second is isos. Third is equilateral and
Equivalent.
मेरी बात सुनो बेटा, ऐसे सब बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. So I am giving you the answer. You all just listen. Okay. We are doing question B from exercise 18.1. Question B we have to do. It is to be done in the book. First of all, it is to be done in the book. So you have to name the triangles on the basis of sides. Sides के basis पे आपको triangle को नाम देना है यहाँ पर. Very simple thing. First one, all sides are unequal. कोई भी side equal नहीं है. सबकी length अलग अलग है. That means it is a scalene triangle. लिख लीजिए book में answer first part का. Scalene triangle. Okay. First part the answer is scalene. Second one, two sides are equal. In the second triangle, two sides are equal. So you name it as isosceles. The name of the second one is isosceles because two sides are equal. And third one, it is equilateral because all the three sides are equal. So this is an equilateral triangle. तीनों का नाम लिख लीजिए book में. First scalene, second isosceles, third equilateral. Okay. Then question number C. Question number C. Again, it is to be done in your book. I hope you all have done question B. Question C करते हैं. It is to be done in the book. Okay. So you have to answer in true or false. एक statement given है, आपको बताना है statement true है या false है. Okay. Again, book में answer mark करना है. Okay. So I will unmute only one child out of you all, and there is no need to raise your hand. Anyone I can mute, unmute कर दूंगा मैं किसी को भी, and then you have to give the answer. Okay. So very simple question. You just have to tell me whether the statement is true or false. No need to raise your hands. First one. An isosceles triangle has all its sides equal. An isosceles triangle has all its sides equal. Isosceles triangle में सारी sides equal होती हैं. So the one who is going to answer is Hargun. Hargun, I have unmuted you. Can you answer this? Is it false or true? In an isosceles triangle, all sides are equal. Hargun? True or false?
Sir, it's false.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Wonderful. Hargun has given the correct answer. The answer is false, because the triangle which has all sides equal, it is known as equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle has two sides equal. Okay, तो ये वाला statement false हो गया. Next one, hand raise मत करिए. अगर आप hand raise करेंगे तो मैं पूछूंगा नहीं आपसे. Okay, so मैं बताता हूँ. First I will read the statement. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 120 degree. Triangle के सारे angles का sum 120 degrees होता है. ऐसा ये book में कह रहे हैं इस statement में. You have to tell whether the given statement is true or false. So the one who's going to answer is Rishika Agarwal. Rishika beta, tell me the answer is, the statement is true or false?
Sir, it is false.
Why? Sorry. Why, Rishika?
Sir, because the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree, not 120 degree.
Wonderful, absolutely correct answer. Because the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180, not 120. Book में गलत लिखा हुआ है. False हो गया. First false, second also false. Third one, a right angle triangle has one angle of 90 degrees. Right angle triangle में one angle 90 degrees का होता है. Okay, so the one who's going to answer is, ये कौन है? Vivu Vivan Agarwal. महाराज पूरा नाम लिखिए and tell me the answer. Vivan Agarwal, third वाले का आंसर बताइए.
Sir, 1 minute.
हाँ, true or false तो बता दो. 1 minute. A right angle triangle has one
I
angle.
was in the washroom. That is why
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
I just came.
अच्छा अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. चलो किसी और से पूछ लेते हैं. वॉशरूम गया था बेचारा. Akshit Bharadwaj will tell everyone the statement is true or false. A right triangle has one angle of 90 degrees. True or false? Akshit Bharadwaj, not there. Karan Lamba बताएंगे. Karan Lamba, brother of Ridhima Lamba. Unmute. Karan. Yes. Karan. True or false? आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Disconnecting.
No voice. No voice. चलो फिर मृदुल will tell the answer. Sister of Anjali Patel, Mridul Patel. Mridul, third one, true or false?
It is true.
It is true. Why?
Sir, because a right angle triangle has only one angle of 90 degree.
Yes, a right angle triangle has one angle of 90 degrees. There is only one angle of 90 degrees in a right angle triangle. So the statement is true. Very good. Vivan is now here. Ever onwards, ever upwards. ये विवान की खुद की अपनी टैगलाइन है. उन्होंने अपने चारों तरफ लगा रखी है विवान ने. विवान, ये बहुत ओरिजिनल टैगलाइन तुमने निकाली है. Very new and original. I want to hear from you. Yes, Vivan.
Yes.
Something. Would you like to say something about your tagline? Ever onwards, ever upwards. What is this tagline?
Sir, I have found this tagline from Google.
You
That is why
tagline from Google.
it is looking refreshing.
It is looking good. Sure, Saxena has also used the same tagline. Very
Sir,
good.
sir, now I can tell the next answer.
It is looking good. Handi Vivan, tell me the answer of the fourth one. Let me read the statement first. Okay, I am going to read the statement. You will tell me the answer
Okay,
of
sir.
fourth one. A triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. Triangle में एक से ज़्यादा obtuse angle नहीं हो सकते. True or false?
False. False.
हो सकते हैं. एक से ज़्यादा obtuse angles हो सकते हैं triangle में. ट्रू है ना, नहीं हो सकते ना, दैट मींस द स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू। ओके, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस वन। मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ आप सबको। obtuse angles are those which are more than 90. So if suppose one angle is 95 and the other angle is 100, दोनों एंगल्स obtuse हो गए यहाँ पर। एक एंगल 95 का ले लेते हैं, दूसरा 100 डिग्रीज का ले लेते हैं। both the angles are obtuse, both are more than 90. So if one angle is 95, the other is 100, दोनों एंगल्स का सम कितना आ गया यहाँ पर? The sum is 195. ये तो 180 से बड़ा चला गया। So is it possible to have two obtuse angles? No, it is not possible to have two obtuse angles. Therefore, बुक में जो उन्होंने स्टेटमेंट लिखा है बिल्कुल सही लिखा है। ये भी यही कह रहे हैं जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं। So that means that statement is true. Okay, fifth one. A triangle can have three angles measuring 45, 75, 65. I think this is very easy. एक ट्रायंगल में तीन एंगल 45, 75 और 65 के हो सकते हैं। True or false? So the one who's going to answer is Ishika. जी, Ishika बेटा. Tell the answer of the third one. Ishika Mittal. ऋषिका को बहुत ठंड लग रही है आज। Very cold.
Sir, it will be false because the sum is 185.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. If we add all the three angles of this triangle, 45 plus 75 plus 65, the sum will be 185, which is wrong. You cannot have the sum equal to 185 degrees. So wrong answer. Rishika Agarwal, you're looking very cute today. Let me see you. She's saying thank you. So for your thank you, I'm going to unmute you. There is Rishika. Yes, here she is. Rishika, you're looking cute.
Thank you, sir.
And your cap and your jacket both are looking very good, very nice. Nice.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay, next one. मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ आज वैसे? How am I looking today? Who will tell me how am I looking today? मुझे बताएंगे। Rupanshi will tell me. Okay, how am I looking, Rupanshi, today? अच्छा लग रहा हूँ आज? आज मेरा फेस रेक्टेंगल की शेप में आपको दिख रहा होगा। दिख रहा है? हाँ, कभी मेरा शेप रेक्टेंगल बन जाता है, कभी पैरेललोग्राम बन जाता है। Okay, so next one, sixth one. A scalene triangle has two sides equal. Scalene triangle में दो sides equal होती हैं। Lavanya will tell the answer. Lavanya, scalene triangle has two sides equal. True or false? Lavanya beta, scalene triangle has two sides equal. So false or true? Yes.
The sixth one.
Sixth one. A scalene triangle has two sides equal. Scalene triangle में दो
Sir,
sides.
it is false. Sir, it is false.
Can you give the reason?
Sir, because in a scalene triangle there are three sides are different.
Very good. Correct answer. Wonderful. Because in a scalene triangle, all the sides are different. Okay. So some of you were trying to answer. You were. I'm sorry, but that questions यहाँ पर खत्म हो गए। कोई बात नहीं. I will be asking you more questions very soon. कुछ ऐसे questions मैं अपने पास से पूछ लूँगा जो book में नहीं है. Then I will give you chance. The student wanted, other student also wanted chance to answer. So I will be asking you more questions afterwards, after some time. But first of all, what you all have to do is, all of you, please pay attention. आपको क्या करना है? You can see this table on the same page at the bottom. Types of quadrilaterals. आप देख रहे हैं this table. Look at this, all of you. On the same page, page number 145. Types of quadrilaterals. This table you have to make in your fair notebooks right now. Pencil से draw करेंगे. Okay. Make it with a pencil. Okay, so how much time do you want to make this? I'm going to give you 7 minutes to do this. 7 minutes में हो जाएगा? I think थोड़ा कम है. Okay, take your time. Okay, let's see how much time you take to do it. This table. Okay, everyone, start doing it. Page number 145 at the bottom, yellow table. Okay, this whole table you have to make in your fair notebooks. तो कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं आयुष्मान? Yes, Ayushman.
Sir, we have to draw this table and we have to draw the diagrams and write the definitions.
Yes, everything. Same as it is given in the book. Okay. Anji, Adhiraj.
Sir, I am asking that I was not in last class, so sir, you explained it now only because sir, I was also not in starting of the class. I was disconnected.
We have just discussed question B and question C of exercise 18.1. बस ये दोनों discuss करें and now you have to make this table. बस अभी तक इतना करा है.
Sir, and sir, you explained this chapter in last class.
हाँ, वो पहले किया था.
Okay.
You can see the recording. Anji, yes, Ayushman.
Sir, can we write the definition with pencil and draw diagram with, sorry, can we write the definition with pen and draw the diagram with
Yes,
pencil?
this you can do. Drawing has to be done with pencil. And लिखने वाला जो काम है, definitions you can write with the help of pen also or pencil, जो भी आप चाहें choice. But drawing has to be done with pencil only. Yes, sure.
Sir, I want to say what we have to write as a heading.
Types of quadrilaterals. This will be the heading. Types of quadrilaterals. Write the heading, types of quadrilaterals, and then make the
Okay.
table.
Okay, sir, and I have one more query that in true and false, the question is mark the statement true or false. Read the false statement correctly. So we have to just only write the true and false only, not we have to write the rectify the statement.
हाँ, वो हमने discuss कर लिए हैं बेटा. If you want, you can write the correct statements. You can write them in the book, but we have already discussed everything in detail. Okay, so if you want, you can write. Yes, Unnati.
Sir, in the C part, I have also rectified the statements and written them here only.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.